In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create a fake WhatsApp account without phone number, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. So in order to create a fake WhatsApp account without using your phone number, what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar you need to type temp SMSS. Click on search. Now click on this first link. Okay, now if you scroll down, you will see some country flags. These are the countries of which you can use the phone number to create your fake WhatsApp account. So select any one country and below that country's flag, click on this receive SMS option. Then click on this copy option. Once the phone number is copied, using this phone number, create your account on WhatsApp. And after the account is created, an OTP will be sent to this phone number to verify your new WhatsApp account. So in order to get that OTP code, you need to come back to this website and scroll down. And right here in this inbox section, you'll receive the OTP code. Paste the OTP code on WhatsApp and your WhatsApp account without phone number will be created. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.